realm of riddles.
You are in the famous city of Troy, where there is an auction to buy all the finest horses in the realm. On the stage, 3 large horses are brought up. In the city of Troy, the law states that bids will start at 500 gold pieces per horse, no matter if it is young or old, big or small, healthy or sick. Therefore, for a group of 3 horses, one would expect bids to start at 1,500 gold coins. However, the auction organizer suddenly shouts that for the entire group of horses on stage, the bids will start at 3,000 gold pieces. Why did the auction organizer seemingly double the starting bid? Pause the video now to solve the riddle for yourself. Although it may seem like there are 3 horses on stage, there are actually 6. How, you may ask? Each horse is actually pregnant with 1 horse, bringing the total number of horses on stage to 6. Your competition in the auction was not as smart as you. They thought they were getting scammed, so they left you all alone at the auction, leaving you with a cheap price to pay for 6 horses.